Well, Phil, one look at the league table suggests there's not much between these sides. There was a 0-0 recently. However, the FA Cup brings its own kind of magic and a different opportunity, doesn't it? How much are you looking forward to this one?
Yeah, the FA Cup's a welcome break from the league. Both teams are doing well in our league campaigns, and like you rightly say, the league game here was a close encounter. They probably had the better the first half. We did well after the break, so there's not much in it between the two teams. It should be a cracking cup tie. Pitch is okay, there's been a lot of rain, but it's certainly playable, and yeah, obviously we're looking forward to a night of FA Cup football.
I was going to ask you what you make of the conditions, because there were a few concerned faces about 4:30 this afternoon when the officials went out to have a look at it.
Yeah, I mean, it was the pitch has done well, the ground staff. You've got to give them credit, because the amount of rain they've had in this area over the last couple of days, we were concerned, and the ref, as you rightly say, came to check the pitch out, but he's happy with it. He feels the worst of the weather conditions have gone, so it should be all set to go.
You mentioned it being a welcome break from the league this evening. Can I ask, where does the FA Cup rank in your list of priorities this season?
Yeah, I think all managers will say the same, and the league is obviously everyone's priority, but the FA Cup is very special for our club. We've got great history in it. We had a fantastic run last year with some memorable games, and tonight's an opportunity to take a step towards that third round. We know it's going to be a tough game, but we're ready, and we're going to give it everything we've got. We're going to go in a really positive manner in the way we go about our business, and hopefully it's an entertaining game for everybody watching. And
what can we expect from this Wrexham side this evening?
Well, I mean, if we can produce a performance like we did last week, or we have been doing lately, I'll be pleased. In terms of how we played here a few weeks ago, we've looked back at that game, and in the second period we adapted certain elements of our game, and we were a lot better, and we're looking to play like that from the first minute tonight.
Phil, pob lwc, diolch yn fawr iawn, thank you.
Thank you.